Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best AI-like free CC packs for Alight Motion. In this video, you'll get 10 high-quality CC that you can use to make your edits look more smooth and professional. Don't forget to mention your favorite CC in the comment, so make sure to watch the video until the end and check out all the CC. Let's get started. That's it for today. You can find all these CC packs on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Make sure to join and download them. Thanks for watching.